Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we learnt some of the terminologies associated with tree, like what is a root, what is a edge, what is leaf, etc. etc. Hope all of those terminologies are clear. Now in this video there are two more terminologies that are there that we need to learn, which is predecessor and successor. We are going to use both of these terms heavily when we are going to learn the tree topic. So it is essential that we learn both these terms now. So the first term is predecessor. Now what do we mean by predecessor? Predecessor of a node is basically the immediate previous node in an in-order traversal of a binary tree. Now what do we mean by that? So let's say this is our binary tree, which is rooted at 100 and having left child and right child. Now if we want to find out the in-order traversal of this tree, so how do we do that is basically we traverse the left subtree of this tree and then we traverse the root node and then we traverse the right subtree. Now how do we do that? Please check in-order traversal video. We have talked about it in lot of details. Now for this binary tree, if you want to find the in-order traversal, the answer will be this, that is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and so on. Now let's say if we want to find out what is the predecessor of 100 in this tree, then all that we have to do is, first of all we have to find out the in-order traversal of this tree, which we have already found out here. Then the next step is we have to see where is this 100. So 100 is over here. Now predecessor is the immediate previous node in the in-order traversal. So which is the previous immediate node? It is 90. So 90 is the predecessor of 100. Now where is 90? 90 is over here. Similarly, let's say if we want to find out what is the predecessor of 200. So first of all we have to see where is 200. It is here. What is the immediate previous element? It is 160. So 160 is the predecessor of 200. Fine. So I hope you have understood how to find predecessor of a given node. Now let's see the next term, that is successor. So successor of a node is basically the immediate next node in an in-order traversal. So let's say 100 is the element and we want to find out what is the successor of 100. So the idea is simple. First of all we find out the in-order traversal, which we have already found here. Then we have to look for 100. It is here. The next element after 100, which is 140, is nothing but the successor of 100. So the definition also says the same thing, that successor of a node is the immediate next node in an in-order traversal. So 140 becomes the successor of 100. Now let's say if we want to find out what is the successor of 300. So again the rules are same. We find out the in-order traversal where we see 300 is located here. The next element after 300 is 350. So 350 is the successor of 300. Fine. So I hope you have understood both these terms, that is what is a predecessor and what is a successor. So with that we come to end of this video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.